Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Oradispersible probiotic sachets. First, ensure your hands are clean before handling the sachet. Locate the tear notch on the sachet and carefully open it. These innovative sachets are designed for easy, on-the-go consumption, making your daily probiotic intake simple and hassle-free. They are a great option if you have difficulty swallowing pills or prefer a quick method. Once opened, gently pour the entire contents of the sachet directly onto your tongue. The powder is formulated to dissolve rapidly, usually within a few seconds, without the need for water. You'll notice a pleasant taste as it melts away. This method ensures the probiotics are quickly absorbed, starting their work in your digestive system efficiently. It's designed for maximum convenience. For optimal benefits, take 1 sachet per day or follow your healthcare professional's specific instructions. It's important not to mix the powder with hot beverages, as high temperatures can reduce the effectiveness of the live probiotic cultures. Simply let it dissolve naturally on your tongue. Consistency is key for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, so try to take it at the same time each day. Store your probiotic sachets in a cool, dry place, ideally below 25 degrees Celsius, and away from direct sunlight or excessive moisture to maintain their potency. Proper storage ensures the live cultures remain viable until you're ready to use them. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Taking care of your probiotics helps them take care of you, supporting your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.